Today I am going over how to take amazing pictures of fireworks using a DSLR camera. The first step is to set up your camera on a tripod. It needs to be steady during shooting so that your pictures aren't blurry. You might want to use a remote as well so that your camera does not shake. So you're going to want to set your camera to full manual mode. Make sure your flash is off because the flash is unnecessary and will wash out your photo. Set your ISO to 100. Set the aperture within 8 to 11. So I'm going to do 9. Set your shutter speed to bulb. This will be all the way to the left in your shutter speeds. This allows you to hold the shutter open for as long as you like. I've found it best to hold the shutter open for less than 8 seconds on these settings because you may overexpose the picture holding it open longer, making it look washed out. This depends on the lens you are using and the light conditions. That ends the video. Good luck shooting.